Hi y'all, Renee here. I'm here today to put together the timber scrapbooking workshop. I've really been looking forward to putting this one together. The optional technique is adding color with watercolor pencils. So I've got my watercolor pencils here. These are the old ones. We do have newer ones, but you know what? Use what you got. And then I like using a watercolor brush, just a water brush when I do watercolors, but you can just use a regular paintbrush. This particular kit makes 3 2-page layouts, so I'm really excited that I don't have to go back and try to figure out how to make 2 pages go together, because I only like to do 2-page layouts. So I've already gone through, I've cut all my paper, and I've got my sticker sheet that comes with the kit. I've got my die cuts that come with the kit, my watercolor pencils. I'm not going to worry about the black journaling pen because I'm not going to do my journaling right now because I don't know which pictures I'm going to use. It does call for 3D foam tape. My books are getting a little thick, so unless I think it really needs to have the foam tape, I'm going to leave it off. Scissors, I've got my ruler, and it does call for a pencil, which I did not grab, so I will grab just a regular pencil. I'm guessing that's just to do some measuring so that you know where to set things. So the cutting on this one was actually pretty easy. There wasn't a lot of it. That's all there was, is what you see right here. So just these pages. So the prep time on this was actually pretty easy. So I'm going to get started putting this together, and I will be back at the end to talk to you a little bit about what I think of the kit, things maybe I would do differently, but we'll see. I mean, I usually make at least one mistake or it wouldn't be my video. So I hope you enjoy, and I'll be back at the end to show you more. these turned out so nice. I am really, really liking these. This is really the only one that I use the watercolor pencils and stuff on. I noticed that using it on the these chipboard pieces, these craft chipboard pieces, didn't really give you a whole bunch of color. And I thought, you know, I'm not going to do the extra work if it doesn't really, if you can't really see it. Let me see if I can get closer to the camera. There you go. So you can see there's just a little bit, and when I tried to, because usually with the watercolor pencils, what you can do is you can put it around the edge and then use the water to move it around. But it didn't seem to really want to move around. So I would say, unless you just really, really want to do watercolor, I would skip it on this one. I don't think it really makes that big of a difference. So, but your mileage may vary. I really like this one. I think this is just beautiful. I love these little interactive features. And I may even put a little piece of ribbon on those, just a flat ribbon. That might look nice. So there's the first layout. Now I have a sinking feeling that I may not have captured the footage of putting this one together. So if that's the case, I am so sorry. I had turned off my camera for a moment to go do something real quick, and when I came back, I think I forgot to turn it back on. So there you go. But this one is really cute as well. Now, these papers, you did have to cut these papers, but they weren't as hard as I thought they would be when I was cutting them out. And some of them are specialty paper that you only get in this kit. So these 3 papers were specialty along with these 2 that only come in this kit. They're not part of the regular paper line. But I really like the way this all came out. When you are doing this though, make sure that you have your orientation correct for these 2 pieces. The rest of them, it really doesn't matter, but on these 2 pieces it does. I love all the stickers that came with this. They're really nice stickers, and I'll show you when I'm done here. I have a few stickers left, so I might be able to put together some more things. So that's layout 2, and I really like layout 3. I think this is probably my favorite layout of the kit. I love the way this came out. Now I left this pretty much open so that I could put my pictures underneath to use these stitched features around the frame of the pictures. But I think this just really came out so beautiful, and I really like all the stickers and the craft die cuts. What are they called? I forget what they're called. But they turned out, I like this one too. So this is layout 3. So let me show you what is left of the kit, because there's actually quite a bit. Chipboard, that's what I'm thinking of. So I've got these chipboard pieces left, and some hearts, and a star, and this really neat jumping rabbit. So I have those chipboard pieces left. And then of the stickers, I've got these, a bunch of arrows and hearts, almost all of the word strips, and all of these down here. So there is a lot. Oh, and I just noticed there's this left as well, this plaid strip. So there is a lot of the stickers left. Now the paper, not a whole bunch of paper. There's a little bit. So there's, you know, another corner of this. So I could definitely make another page with that in the corner. And then I have some of these as well, these pieces. So depending on, you know, the orientation of these pieces, I'm not sure if I would be able to use them. I might be able to put them together, put a strip down the middle. I just don't know. So I'll have to play around with them. There's some of the zip strips are still left. And I really love this paper. Now this paper, it retires on August 31st. Now if there's any left in stock after that point, it'll show back up under the online only area of my website, usually around the 10th of the month or so. So you could always check. Now this is that specialty paper. This was also a specialty paper that was just in this kit. So I have a little bit there that I can cut and use for something. And these might make nice cards because they're a good size to make some cards with. And then I've got a few pieces, little pieces of the solid color cardstock, and then just some photo placeholders. Not quite sure why I had these left over when I was doing the kit. It's possible that they may have been put in here and by error. So I'm going to hold on to these, put them in my little bucket there on the side, and I may use those for something else. So that is the timber scrapbooking workshop. I hope you enjoyed watching me put this all together. If you're interested in this workshop, like I said, this expires August 31st. I'm trying to make the year go faster than it already is. August 31st. Just check out my website. I have a link down below for you. And if you have any questions about this kit, anything I did, just leave me a comment down below and I will be happy to get back with you. I hope you have a wonderful day. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.